NASDAQ this week has dropped in value. We can see that the price has reached an area of 18,900 and then returned all the way back down, where the price has formed this bullish pin bar on the Friday with a very large wick on the bottom side. Weekly time frame shows us that currently the price has formed a bearish candle that has formed a bearish engulfing candle, where this candle body engulfs the previous weak candle, and we have a large wick where the price has touched 18,300 support level. Monthly time frame shows us that after the price has formed a strong bullish candle during the whole month, the price has retracted a little bit after the reaching 18,995 price level, and the price has stayed above 18,320, which is a very important support level. Now the monthly time frame shows us that this is a great bullish breakout, and it is cancellation of the previous bearish breakout, which is an indication for the further rise in value, except the price, unless the price returns back down again below very important levels. Now what we can see here on the weekly time frame, that is that the price has touched the very important support level and it has bounced back up, which is also a great signal, which means the buyers are very strong here against the sellers that are pushing the price from this area here. What to expect in the next week? For now, what I can see, there is a high probability that the price will return back down to 18,320 before starting to bounce or making a bearish breakout. For that, this is something that we need to see what happens on the daily time frame, because it shows us a much more clear information what we can expect. Now on the daily time frame, we can see that the price is formed at this strong pin bar with the price closing a little bit down below these candles open and close prices. You can see that here. We can see a strong wick where the price has touched and bouncing from this area, which is a very important level for the price. Now what do we expect here? We can see that very important level for the price is this one area here, which is 18,320. That needs to hold in order for the price not going even more down. For now, as it looks, let's stretch this one a little bit up, just a minute. We can see this is a trend channel, which is stretching a little bit from here to here, and the price is bouncing just from this support level, which means a very strong confluence of support is right here, where the price has gone down and then retrace back up. So what will happen here is something that we need to pay attention closely on the daily basis, and that means we will see what the price do around these price levels. Will this support level hold, or it will completely be broken in and continue the price reaching 18,320, a very important support level on the weekly and the monthly time frame. Now, based on what I can see here, it is something that I'm expecting that the price will return back down, and then after that we'll see what happens. Will the price again find great support, form some kind of a price action signal pointing to the price will move up, or there will be a bearish breakout here, which will indicate further decline down, going back below to 18,000. This is something that needs to be watched on the daily basis, so we'll see what happens during the week. So this is all for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.